Ya,
santai aja.
jangan ngegas.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for coming today. So because we only have 3 cm and we have Nadia here, we just start now. By first take a look at the property quality control campaign. Perhaps from Kak Tendi, can you tell us your findings or fiction or anything related to this campaign?
Oke, thank you. Siapa namamu? Lilis.
Yes,
Thank you, Lilis. So, actually, my last week performance is quite going well. So, last week I had inspect three property, and then one property is our existing property, and two property is the potential owner or potential partner like that. And then last week I actually try the system that I had tell before, but apa yang nama bahasa? I find a great tools or system for the inspection. The name is PIM or Property Inspection Manager. So if you can open the link for the Asset Village. So actually, this tools is for me it's quite good because we kind of like can reduce the time for making the report actually because this tools is produce the report automatically. If you can open the report. So let me see. Yeah, so actually that's the result of the report from the tools actually. And then we can customize the area property like garden, bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen, balcony, and everything. And then also the checklist, there are like a four checklist: clean, undamaged, or working, and maintenance. So if the property is not clean, the sign will be like a X. So X with red X, it's not clean. But if clean, that's like a tick like that. And then we can also give the in notes on when on the area like that. And then on the below, so we can also document it with the specific area. For example, like a front garden, we can take a picture directly, and then exterior, and then bathroom looks like that. And then also this is actually is reportable. Ya bahasanya mungkin gitu. Reportable to the owner. Yeah, so for example like the owner is
I
on the Australia,
see.
for example. So I'm doing the inspection on the villa, so to check with the staff and everything, and then I can send this report to the owner after I submitting. So the owner can see the actual condition of their villa with all the recommendation and then the notes on the report. So this is automatically with the inspection date, everything. And then also on the previous compare with the previous system that we have, it's very manually. So I need to
This one, yeah?
yeah, I need to put everything and then upload it the picture one by one. Actually, all picture is below. So I plan to discuss with the product development actually if we are possible to adapt these tools to make it our own Bukit Vista inspection report or inspection tools, or we will use these tools like that. But if you want to use these tools, there is like apa namanya
Subscription
bill
fee?
bill for this like that.
Yeah,
If
subscription fee. Yeah.
it's around of $500 per year, the cost like that. So it's about 7 million or 6 million or 7 million per year, like that. So, but from me, this is very worth it tools if you want to use it, because this is very easy. Even we can also use for the online inspection. So even though if I'm not going to the field, the staff can use the application, this application as well like that. Okay, is there any question so far? I think my
Yeah,
connection.
you can respond.
Yeah, yeah. So Kak, this is actually for what is like a routine that been done on the proper on like every property, right? So
Yep.
every property
Ya, sorry, I cannot.
okay, actually in product development right now, um, we're rebuilding or like now we're creating a new features for the property tab. So we're managing apa sih namanya kayak apa sih mengoptimasikan
Uh,
the property tab on bigger gitu. Nah, so I think we can include this feature actually to make like what is like a special tab for the property control.
is it bigger or Bivigo, Nadia?
Bigger.
Uh,
Is it for employee or for the partner
for actually this is for
or
community
for both?
manager.
Gimana?
Community manager using this for inspection. So we do the
Mhm.
inspection, and then after the inspection, the report will be goes to the owner like that.
So both bigger and mobile app ya kalau gitu ya.
Kalau bisa di mobile apps-nya ada fitur kayak tapi this is for the ini loh, for the
Di
part
Vigo-nya output-nya aja nggak sih? For
outbound
the output
ya,
only, right?
tapi kalau bisa fiturnya ini untuk community manager gitu.
So
Untuk
Oh
it
ya
is
berarti.
for employee actually,
ya.
but
Mhm.
the result can be delivered to the partner.
Hmm.
Ya.
To the
So
partner.
I think the most important part is bigger dulu karena di Vigo
Hmm.
itu kita ngambil juga dari bigger.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. That's correct.
Hmm.
So Kak Tandi, what this data? Is there only check like apa namanya cek aja gitu like
Hmm.
this one is only checking right check gitu aja kan?
Banyak sih. Let me upload ya
Yeah. Or
application-nya.
you can share your screen if you want
Ah,
to give more context to Nadia. Like, that's the sample of the system,
aku
right?
bisa
And later
share kalau
on we
dari
can
handphone aku bisa share screen nggak ya?
dari handphone.
Iya, maksudnya biar langsung kelihatan ininya application.
I don't think so.
Saya, aku attach picture-nya aja deh, contoh ininya, tampilannya
Let
seperti apa. Ini salah. Di Astri Village, tapi yang paling bawah di picture bagian picture. Let me share screen ya.
in the property ini ya. Oh,
Ya, aku share screen.
saya bisa.
Everyone can see my screen.
Yep.
If you're in, yeah, this one. So actually on the apps, it's look like this. This hilang. Oh, very lagging bro. It's look like
Okay.
this, kayak gini. Jadi ada beberapa part gitu, terus di bawahnya ada inspection tabs, import, share, kayak bla bla bla. Terus ini ada setiap komponennya kayak gitu, setiap areanya gitu, front garden. Nanti ada juga breakdownnya di bawahnya kayak gitu. Terus di sini nanti untuk breakdownnya itu tampilannya seperti ini. It's like this, area, bathroom, misalnya notes-nya apa, clean and the amenities complete, additional notes-nya seperti apa, there is a spider web, misalnya in the ceiling, please check and clean it gitu. Terus checklist-nya tuh ada 4 seperti ini, clean and damage, working, maintenance. Kalau misalnya dia ada yang damage itu bisa kita klik-klik 2 kali jadinya kayak silang. Berarti ada yang damage dan harus kita kasih notes juga di sana apa yang damage. Kalau ada yang nggak working juga kita bisa kasih silang di sini. Jadi bukan tick dia, tapi silang gitu. Untuk hal yang sama kayak pas sama fail lah gitu, yang kayak yang bagus sama nggak gitu. Sebenarnya simple sih untuk application-nya nih. Kayak aku tuh cuman I can working one times gitu loh Lilis. Jadi aku open application ini waktu inspection, aku langsung buat reportnya di sana, langsung aku submit, udah selesai. Sampai rumah aku nggak
Jadi
ngapain kayak gitu. Tapi kalau yang preview sistemnya tuh aku cuman tag picture, terus sampai rumah aku harus buka papernya lagi, ngetik buat ininya, tik-tik segala macam satu-satu kayak gitu. Jadi reducing time banget sih gitu. Back to
okay.
share.
Thank you, Kak Tandy. Nadia, have you get the context of what's the needs right now?
Yep, I get it. Maybe I
Okay.
can bring ups to the PD dulu, and then we'll do some
Yeah.
follow up regarding the projects.
Do Tandy need to send something to the PD request, or you just need to deliver it like by yourself?
I will deliver it, and
Okay.
when what is it like? Explain the context. That would be
Okay
easier.
then. Thank you, Nadia.
Sure,
So
sure.
I think is there any more questions from this for this campaign? Yeah, I think this is really good innovation, yeah, from Kak Tendi, and I believe that your experience and also apa namanya? Experience di lapangan itu really really good context for you to innovate more in this campaign actually. So my question, I think perhaps property,
Mhm.
what is the purpose of the inspection? Is there like assessing whether we want to onboard or what's the purpose?
Okay, so basically on the CM card, on this card, the the assessment for the there is like a one apa ya? For this card is only for standardize our property, but for the
Mm.
kayak apa filter rate itu it's on the BD card actually. So it's different, but BD card but BD using my tools for doing the filtering kayak gitu.
Berarti this is after the BD like hey this property is actually already signed gitu, and
Jadi
then
aku tuh kayak
you
doing,
make the
aku tuh kayak
consultants.
collecting data. Nanti kalau for the decide-nya itu dari PD nanti kalau misalnya untuk properti baru. But for the existing property, uh, that's my job to assess untuk apa namanya assessment-nya gitu.
So this is the pre-assessment before signing or like before contract or agreement.
On this card actually for existing property sebenarnya gitu. Tapi
Tapi tadi kan dibilang ada 3 property and then
hmm,
two of it is potential, right?
Jadi aku tuh help BD untuk doing the inspection, but the assessment decide decision itu ke BD untuk properti baru. Tapi untuk yang existing property
Hmm.
itu aku yang decide assessmentnya gitu. Jadi yang aku cuman bantu dia inspection kayak gitu. Jadi untuk BD, jadi dia bisa evaluasi BD itu MKL nggak kayak gitu.
This is not a KPI for property, right? Because this is for the existing property or the property that's already like join our system. So
Hmm,
okay,
ya.
then perhaps a suggestion will be make like another card for that if it
For the
is
new
a
property ya.
task. Yeah, because the intention is different. It's not
Hmm,
for this one, right?
ya.
It's not for really improving, but just checking whether they are actually qualified to be our property partner or not.
Ya.
So make like a card, a task card will be better, I think.
Okay. Okay, and
Yeah.
then one more update from me. Yesterday, I got one referral from the Kencana owner
Wow.
actually. When I'm doing the property inspection, so the name is Lucky Guest House. Just that's a brand new, just building at, and then I plan to go that property on the Tuesday to check it the property and then also meet the owner like that, and then oh yeah, the UMA is actually the one of the potential owner that want to join with Bukit Vista, and then he very exciting to join with us, and then but there is a issue, and then he is transparent to me, and then asking for help and advice, and then yeah, I give him a solution for the chemical because that's one of
Mm.
the biggest problem of their property. And then my friction is actually find the best solution for multiple room inspection for the online inspection. For example, like there is a 30 room kayak gitu. 30 room,
Mm-mm.
how many sample can kayak apa namanya mewakilkan gitu,
Wakili.
represent that property kayak gitu sama honest report from partner gitu. Nah, itu kayak dia tuh cuman ngirim gambar yang bagus-bagus aja atau kayak mau nggak dia Hanes ngirim yang kayak rusak ya memang dikirim yang rusak kayak gitu fotonya kayak gitu. Itu frictionku. Terus action plan-nya adalah keep develop the tools with the PD, and then this week actually I would like to try the online inspection because
Mm.
previously I using the offline inspection, but I would like to use the online inspection because it's more scalable for the online inspection kayak gitu.
Okay.
And this is the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Kak Tandi. Anyone have suggestion for Kak Tandi on how to solve the friction? I have like I'm not sure whether this is work or not. Perhaps first idea is using photo right from the owner.
Hmm.
Can we do like video call with the owner like yeah
Hmm.
15 minutes that's enough like hey Pak, can you please show me the this corner, this corner, this corner. Jadi kita yang minta and then
Hmm.
langsung gitu.
Oke, so
Itu
when the video call, jadi pas dia shoot misalnya toilet itu kita screenshot gitu.
Bisa.
Oh,
Or you can just I'm not sure kalau video call nggak bisa record ya pakai WhatsApp ya. Bisa
pakai
ya?
full screen aja sih.
Bisa. Tapi itu kayaknya that take
Kualitinya
much of your
tergantung
bandwidth.
quality kamera of the partner juga sih.
Ya, itu betul. Yeah, just try two method,
Ya,
photos juga video ya. And let's see which one is better. Kalau misalnya in terms of kejujuran gitu ya. Diana's part, I think video call will be more ini dan juga we can interact with the partner not only like asking, hey, can you please take the picture of this, and this.
ya.
We also can communicate gitu directly. So I think that's my idea. Anyone have another better idea? Felicia?
Um, I don't really have any idea, but yeah, I agree with Kalilis. But when using like video calls, usually the quality image just really got distorted.
Yes.
So that's yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then let's try that first ya Kak Tandi ya. Since
Yes.
online, yeah, we can only use video call and also photos. That's the only two I think.
Yeah.
If we don't facilitate a good apa namanya camera or anything with the partner, then that's the consequence. Okay, then thank you, Kak Tandi, for your update for the first campaign. And I would like to go to Felicia's campaign straight
Mana tuh?
first. Felicia itu social media engagement.
Terus sekretarisnya siapa, Lilis?
Oh iya ya.
Di notes di kartuku.
Who's my secretary? It should be Ross.
Oh,
But Felicia, can you be my secretary later on? Ya aku note lah di cardnya Kak Tendi. Tapi later on ya aku dulu lah. Yuk,
Okay.
Felicia.
Okay, so for the social media engagement, so I did like try to post something like out of related to our community, like just like an information like about the COVID-19 vaccines, and yeah, it's additional. Like they don't care if we post something that are not related to them. So this is like kind of the proof for that. The posts about birthday wishes get more views. It gets about 35 to 55 views. Meanwhile, posts that Aika usually shares that are actually very informative, like how to clean roofs, how to clean pools, they only get like about 26 views. And yeah, so we should also like try sorry, let me repeat that. So yeah, from this result we have like a friction when we wish them birthdays or celebrate them, something like that. Yeah, it kind of defeats the purpose of an online community where everyone should be able to interact with each other, not just like our admins and to one specific member. So yeah, there is that. And then I still haven't found the general and particular and kind of like invent something that could gather the online community together. So my action plan is to continue doing my research and then probably create like a partner online persona to list our community online behavior and then generate topic discussions or contents from that as well, and to find like which one of our members are actually really active social media users. And yeah, I'm planning to learn more about community engagement and our member preferences. And to increase engagements through Facebook, we can try to schedule like a monthly live sessions on Facebook Live or using rooms on Facebook. But I'm planning to discuss this with the marketing team. So we plan to have like a weekly content writer sync up with the marketing team. So maybe I can bring this topic there, so they can also like produce articles that are intriguing for our community members. Those are the updates from me. Thank you. Back to you, Kalilis.
Okay, Felicia. So you try. I think you also asked the member like, what's your opinion regarding the vaccine, right? And I said that we already posted like several times, and I don't think we have a good engagement for this. So, my first suggestion for you is trust back what track back what is the post that we already done and what's the response or the audience, to prevent reinventing the wheel basically. And the most engaging one are I'll offer the floor first. Is there any suggestion from Kak Tandy perhaps?
Oh, sorry, my mic is off. Oh yeah. So actually, I would like to ask if one of the owner post something in the group, in the Facebook group, like want to sell their something, is it allowed or not?
Mm, I think we can allow that. Like
Because
it's beneficial for them as well.
yeah, because when I'm doing when I'm did the inspection, the owner of Asri Village, they have a lot of stock for the soap, the kits, like a dental kits, amenities like that. Because on the previous on the before pandemic, they buy a lot, and then expect that there is a lot of gas, right? But there is no gas,
Mm.
so they want to sell it because they afraid to the soap and everything is expired like that. And then they asked me like, can I tell all the partner for that like that? But yeah, I can ask the owner if that's allowed, so the owner can post on the Facebook group like sell that, because I think that's still related right to the owner. Like if maybe other owner needs that soap, like a liquid soap, and then amenities like that. What do you think, Felisa?
Mm, I think it's okay to like allow them to sell, but be oh be apa ya, be cautious because
Mm,
based on my research, I look at other community groups on
mm,
Facebook, and the members that actually sell goods on Facebook groups, that they don't really intrigue like engagements, and I'm afraid that our group will turn into something like a paid promote group, like, and it will end up just like spamming the group with, yeah, unnecessary advertisements.
okay.
But I guess with some limitations, that's like okay.
Mm,
Yeah, I think that's okay. I mean, as long as we have the rules as what we see in Canggu group, for example, right? That's, yeah, that's by rent and buy property, right? Something like that.
yeah.
Yep. And that's specifically for that. But for this one, as long as the intention is to engage and help the partners, I think that's okay.
Mm,
Perhaps we can give the rules of what you are selling is related to property rental.
yeah.
No?
And then also for the admin, we can also accept or not the post. For example, like the member is want to
Um,
post. If we accept, then the post will be published. If not, the post will not publish it like that. For that,
mm. So we can review first before
yeah,
editing.
review before is.
That's even better then, right?
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's try, yeah. Let's see if there's any
Yeah.
engagement on that post, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So Asri Village, related to supplies basically, and
Yeah.
toiletries and supply. Okay, that's will be good idea. Hmm. Yeah, it's more technical then. I mean, it needs response basically. For something that we post is sometimes need response, but sometimes not, right? Your action plan is to continue doing research on a create paper for online persona to list our community online behavior, learn more about community engagement, member preference. To increase engagement through Facebook, we can try schedule monthly live session. Live session. Is there something like IG live?
Yes, on Facebook.
Okay. We ever done online event, right, Kak Tandy, and we invite them
Hmm.
actually, and the participation is pretty low. What do you think? The difference that you would like to give in this particular live session?
So I'm actually planning to discuss it with the marketing team because they create articles about like our
Article?
property owners, and yeah, and I'm actually like if we can bring that to like discuss with the community members. But yeah, this is still like just a rough
Uh,
idea, but
what about we in the last discussion? I think we have idea that we want to invite Jing to speak
Yeah,
in.
that's what I'm thinking.
yeah, yeah,
So maybe Jim
yeah,
can speak on the live
Yeah,
yes.
just try that first, like
about the
because
yeah.
that's the
Well,
closest idea that we already prepare. I mean, we already agree about.
yeah,
So,
yeah. So it's like the live session is to
like,
give news
ask
about
our
BV.
CEO anything related to your property, revenue, and anything, and Jing will answer
I think
your
about
questions that you.
I think one of the topic that most of the partner want to hear is about this extending the postponing the open border, and then what is the future condition of
Mm,
about the property supply like that or gas.
yeah. Or you can post a feature like ask me question, right? As I think Sasha done this before.
Mm-mm.
Ask like announce that we will have our CEO
Mm-mm.
to do a live session from Facebook. Please write down the question you'd like to ask him, and we will delegate this, and he will try to basically answer the questions later on in the session. Something like that bisa ya Kak Tendi ya? I think ya.
Bisa. Maybe
Yeah.
juga untuk time-nya juga Felisa ya perlu di-consider. Jadi jangan, mendadak gitu, karena partner itu biar siapa tahu dia mau hadir kan jadi dia bisa kayak spare time, jadi waktu itu gitu. Biasanya sih, mungkin hari Minggu, karena mostly partner Minggu itu, lagi off kan relax gitulah, jadi nggak yang
Hmm.
kerja gitu. Kalau misalnya Senin sampai Jumat atau Sabtu itu mereka kayak ada yang guru segala macam itu kan pasti nggak itu kerja tuh jam hour-nya dia gitu, jadi nggak ada time gitu. Mungkin Minggu bisa sih.
Okay.
Okay. Right,
Uh,
right. Any
okay.
response from Felicia?
Yeah, yeah. That's actually. I also had that in mind. Regarding actually for the Mr. Jing, like his contribution with our video is to deliver the BV newspaper, but it could actually like be integrate with this as well, so he can actually like yeah deliver the news using this platform too.
Yeah, yeah. BV newspaper. Yeah, it can also, but BV newspaper is not. It's only the monthly event, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just try with this first. Faster, better. Not waiting until newspaper is done because I think it takes too long. Until you can do experiment. As I said, control your actions. I mean, you have to remember what things that you have tried, what is fail and what is success. So yeah, speed is important in this case. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Any more input? Have you write down the notes, Felicia?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Next, I think we'll go to other campaign, which is renew partner contract. There's no update about this campaign yet from Om Rafiq. I'll update again when finished isolated in hospital. If need help or delegation, I'll decide to talk to the team later on. Okay, I think so far last progress is the conversion is pretty good, yeah, about 23%, and that's okay if it is pending because Om Rafiq still isolated because of why Om Rafiq is still isolated?
Karena dia sama bapaknya di sana nungguin. Jadi
I
dia
see.
di kamar di rumah sakit.
I see. Okay. Yeah. So that's okay for this one. Let's continue to the other, which is partner satisfaction survey. There is an update from Ross. Last funnel performance, 60% of the total partner contact have filled out the survey. There has been no progress from Region 1 and Region 3 for the past 2 weeks. Region 1, who's the manager for Region 1? Is that Kak Tandy?
Hmm.
Why is that no progress, Kak Tandy?
Actually, I had remind the partner for feel that most of the partner just read my message release. I'm not sure
Okay.
if they are busy or what
Okay.
because I have
I
sent
think good
several messages.
question.
Yeah.
From the previous PSS, do
Hmm.
we target 100 response from the partner?
No.
No, right? I
Yeah.
mean, yes, I actually understand that we cannot keep doing survey like all the time, right?
Yeah.
Just give limitation on what is the data that we call enough
Yeah. The
to,
sample, right? Sample data.
yeah, the sample data to just
Present.
have a general review lah from the partner.
Hmm.
So, Felicia, please put a note. Ross, please consider how many percent would you target
Hmm.
to respond the PSS.
Yeah.
Therefore, we can take general conclusion for our performance, like in the past week, in the past months,
And then
and then
we can also
yes,
I think create the new survey that related the topic because I think the previous topic is not necessary ya.
uh,
Ya kayak udah udah
yeah,
expired
yeah,
gitu loh. Jadi kayak udah terlalu lama. Jadi kita perlu feedback yang baru gitu dari partner tentang kondisinya sekarang.
yeah. Okay, and if we actually stop this, what is the next action? Please also tag us for that question. Yeah, friction. It's a bit difficult to get partner action from region 3. Okay, continue to follow up area manager to remind this one. Yeah, so that will be my suggestion because we cannot keep waiting for partner to take any decision whether we want to stop and then take general conclusion and move on to the other actionable step we think more relevant. Okay, that's for the PSS. And then last campaign is about the the Bukit Vista Sitok. Update from ASA. In total, we've done 163 outreach on June. We've outreach 43 CE, 10 responded, 3 process to MOU. Had 2 new CE sign the MOU. Apa itu? Bla 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 interior and join living. Jogi living. Will continue to update Thursday, July 6th. No friction yet. Action plan, PPT preparation and coordination for those two CE. Set the schedule to conduct BVC talk for ADS interior and jogging living. More coordination with Jenna. Okay, so this one, I think the closest one is the innovation is that will be tomorrow, yeah, Thursday. The innovation will be, I think, from Jenna, inviting university student to hear about this C-Talk, I think, yeah. Can you take Asa and Jenna for this preparation? I think just mention that previously or last week you mentioned to that you want to wider the audience to university student. How is it going? And is it ready tomorrow? Something like that. Okay then. So on June we don't really have a C talk, if I'm not mistaken, but we have three potential CE to talk with us this month because of the result of June. So it is kind of delay because I also asked Asa about this why it is delay. It is because she still trying to figure out like what is actually C talk and everything because he just handed over. Yeah, that's that for this C talk. And then next, I think that's that for the campaign. We would like to continue to individual project or task. Kak Tendi, I think the update can start from you.
Okay, thank you, Lily. So for the cleanliness class, actually I had set schedule with the Arianta, and it should be today for making the shooting with the lot 6 staff. But
Mm-hmm.
the guest before the scrum is still not checked out yet, so he cannot clean it. But now he said the staff is already sorry, the guest is already checked out, and then the staff is cleaned the room, and then I still on the scrum, so I think I will reschedule it for the filming. And then also for the Puriklapa, Andre also yesterday is got back go back to the negara because there is a ceremony, so it's postponed as well. And then yes, I will make it schedule with them again like that. And then the second update is I think from the for the mobile apps. Last week I had contact some partner as well, and then there is some owner is already adapt and then install as well for the Bivigo. And then there is two apa ya, two condition I found last week. So this one, this is the when the Bamboo Bungalow is installing the bigger, and then they sign in, the data is like this, is no review, and then ratings nulls and everything, so there is no data, even the property partner is already uh, a long time join BV. But on the
Mm.
this one Pak ya Bambu Ngalo, and then one of owner is Pak David. I think I uploaded as well. Kalau Pak David itu it's shown the gini, kayak datanya tuh shown gitu loh. Ngerti nggak? Nah, gimana ya bahasanya? Kayak ada datanya gitu. Mungkin aku
The
coba
data.
eh, kayak coba mungkin aku share screen ya. David. Let me.
Like, can you refresh it, Kak?
Oke, wait.
Yeah, try to refresh. About user adoption, yeah. So there is a data. Pak Kastawan Bambu Bungalow. The data is not appear basically.
Ya, nggak
Uh,
kepir.
ya,
Tapi
nggak
untuk Pak
kelihatan kan?
Pak David itu yang dari Villa Kyle itu dia peer, padahal dia baru download di Vigo, tapi kayak keluar gini datanya gitu. Coba aku share screen. Hmm. Ya kan nggak harusnya kayak gini kan? Harusnya kayak gini.
Mhm.
Nah, jadi kayak ada nama properti, terus ada ininya, scores, ada review segala macam gitu. Nah, kalau yang Bambu Bungalow itu dia nggak kelihatan, ya kayak gini gitu. Mungkin Nadia bisa ada ini nggak explanation?
Oke. Satu properti, dua akun yang berbeda atau dua
Dua
properti
properti
yang berbeda?
Dua properti dua orang.
Berarti properti beda ya?
Hmm.
Oke.
Ya beda properti.
Aku follow up kalau gitu habis ini.
Oke, soalnya kemarin yang apa yang kemarin tuh juga eh apa aku pokoknya kayak gini juga dia nggak kelihatan datanya apa namanya kosong gitulah inian ratingnya nul gitu tapi
Oh,
yang
ada itu nggak?
kastawan
Itu
itu
datanya like sejauh dia sudah join BV atau bisa set tanggal?
harusnya kelihatan dia kayak gambar propertinya nih Lilis di atas
Oh,
sama apa namanya kayak ratingnya gini loh
oke oke.
kayak gitu mungkin nanti bisa dicek ya
Nadia bisa dibantu untuk cek untuk hal itu.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, I think you already tag Nadia juga for this one. Nadia, please come back with the follow up ya.
sama mungkin lagi satu update
Jadi,
yang user acquisition-nya itu Nadia kemarin udah ke kakak update tuh. Terus yang merah-merah itu yang nggak ada kontak tuh mostly kayak banyak yang udah turnover kan. Jadi yang udah tapi kayaknya masih belum di nonaktifin datanya di bigger gitu atau udah diaktifin. Oh, mana dia?
yeah, perhaps I would like to ask juga to Nadia.
Bigger
Is there any? I'm not sure who manage the bigger data. I mean, because ada properti yang udah nggak ikut misalnya, do we need to remove them or anything?
Yeah. Now about data, but for actually for the bigger itself, the campaign manager is currently Nico slash Kabayu itu,
Mhm.
and some data apa sih kayak nggak begitu di manage juga sih. Jadi emang frictionnya, especially for the mobile app juga tuh banyak kayak data yang duplikasi atau enggak data yang empty gitu loh.
kayak ini.
Ya.
Itu segini ini lumayan kan kita apa namanya kalau kontak kalau misalnya udah nggak kerja sama gitu misalnya kan. Kayak Puja
Mm.
Villa gitu kan dia udah nggak, tapi ada beberapa yang Kakak udah filter kemarin kan, itu kayak masih tengah-tengah gitu ya Nadia ya, tapi Kakak udah apa, filterin ke bawah jadi kita fokus yang, bisa dikontak dulu kayak gini, yang ijo-ijo aja gitu. Jadi yang udah respon-respon sama download kayak gitu. Yang tapi mostly ini banyak yang make iOS juga, make iOS jadi dia nggak bisa download gitu.
See. Ya, ya. Itu juga mungkin bigger data management can be apa namanya?
Yep.
Because bigger is really important actually buat sumber apa data gitu ya. Karena PRM juga currently belum di move ke bigger sebenarnya. Dan datanya masih kepecah especially for partner. Okay then, ini ada update from Captain D.
Itu aja. Next update-nya tuh kayaknya di card-nya Felisa untuk yang ini, apa, on the job training itu.
On-site training. Okay, on the job training. Okay, next to Felicia then. Okay, you're muted.
Okay, for the on the job training initiative, so for the update, we have two property owners that are interested in joining this project, and then also for the materials for this program, Katendi have just their job training draft for the schedule and materials. And so I feel like I need help in designing the program regarding recruitment process and everything. And I actually talked to Kashelin for this, and she told me that Ka Arfi will help with this program because she has experience in designing programs that are similar to this. So after that, I will update this initiative again. Okay, Katendi.
Yeah, maybe I would like to ask a little bit. Sorry, not ask but add. So here I put the first week the selection. It's kind of like a trial, so we can filter it the staff. So we don't want to have the the person like we cannot manage like that, right? So we want the person that have a growth mindset. They have kayak harness and then also discipline like that. So on the first stage, I think I need help from the HR as well because they know how to interview and everything, like explain the core value and everything. And then for the tools, chemical SOP, and then online meeting test, it can be the on-job training manager. So I think the next action, Felicia, you need to decide or find the on-the-job training manager, because we need the manager for the trainee like that. So make sure there is someone that responsible to manage them like that. And then on the first week as well, there is test, like the competency test, so to make sure that to know like how know this that person, because on the first stage, this is actually I spotted the risk actually for on the first stage, because on the first stage I would like to put the on the job training on the luxury or exotic property. But the risk is because they are still new, and then they didn't know well about the SOP and everything. But the opportunity is, if they are learning on the good property like luxury and exotics in the first month, then they can applying that standard to the down to the below level, like that, like a comfort and value. And then if in the first month they are learning on the value, then they have the low standard, right? And then hard to apply it to the high standard, like that. So that's actually the risk and then the opportunity that I spotted here. And then I create the actually two table.
Katanya you still lagging.
Oh, hello. Udah belum?
Dah.
Yeah, I think I create two stages, because there are sometimes the time for the training is like a 3 month and then 6 months. So I create the 3 month and the 6 month time for that. Yeah, but this is what I got. And then for the material, I still on progress ya, Felicia ya, kayak tools, SOP and everything kayak gitu. Tapi untuk hospitality sama cleanliness udah ada sih kayak gitu. Itu aja. Maybe there is a question.
So you were lagging like last. So the first month is for luxury, exotic property, and then the second month is we move to comfort and value. Is it like downgrade or?
That's downgrade.
Yeah, so actually the stage is downgrade, but the opportunity is the standard for the value and comfort property is high. Jadi standar mereka tuh jadinya bagus gitu, because
Yeah,
they
I
already learn in the
see.
good kayak gitu. Jadi dia
The
kayak,
risk is also higher, right?
ah
Maksudnya kan there's so many expensive property, expensive things in luxury property. So that's actually makes more challenge to us. Jadi benar-benar biar bisa nge-filter gitu. But I think I prefer to start from value. Jadi karena this is actually really new program gitu ya katanya. And I think misalnya previously yang nyoba tuh siapa? Puri Kelapa atau apa sih?
bisa sih. Jadi mungkin nanti untuk MVP-nya kita bisa choose dari 3 itu tuh gitu. Jadi benernya itu sebenarnya juga kita bisa mainin di proses seleksinya Lilis gitu. Jadi kita bisa lihat orangnya mana orang yang kira-kira bagus nih kepribadiannya, dia self appearance-nya bagus segala macam, knowledge-nya dia bagus, itu kita bisa taruh di luxury kayak gitu.
Yeah, yes, I think so. Kalau misalnya mau ngelibatin HR for apa namanya core value dan staff lain sebagainya, ini kan berarti high school student ya?
Ya.
Don't be too hard actually. From my
Jadi ya
opinion.
jangan terlalu strict lah gitu maksudnya.
Terlalu yang kayak seleksi intern di sini gitu. It's the level is lower actually. We only need to detect dia baik enggak gitu. Maksudnya baik tuh in terms of disiplin enggak, jujur enggak. Itu really like the core value yang bener-bener kayak dia tuh mau grow itu bisa sebenarnya. Maksudnya learning quality kan bisa juga kan. Dia tuh rajin enggak? Itu kan
Online
udah
tepat waktu nggak waktu meeting gitu.
ya kayak gitu-gitu. Nanti Felicia yang koordinasiin Felicia ya? I think you can coordinate this with HR. Jadi nggak yang terlalu ketat banget, tapi benar-benar kalau kalau mau nyari orang onsite seperti apa gitu. Tapi karena dia masih SMA kan orangnya masih udah labil juga ya. Maksudnya nggak yang kayak orang kuliah gitu. Jadi kayak nggak terlalu hard juga gitu. Ya, I think that's my apa namanya, bisa juga yang kayak Kak Tandi bilang let's try to identify karakternya. Kalau misalnya bagus bisa di place ke higher level seperti luxury ataupun comfort. Kalau misalnya not really that great bisa di value dulu.
Jadi buat motivation mereka juga, kalau kamu mau di properti yang lebih bagus, kamu harus improve
Bagus,
ini kayak gitu. Jadi buat
Yeah, that's actually I agree. Please take a note, yeah, Felicia, in your card. Okay, thank you. Is there any more update from you, Felicia?
I want to ask, like, for the manager for this program, is it like someone from BV or?
Bukan Felicia manajernya.
Yeah.
Felicia kan manajernya.
Like, tadi kan Kak Teni bilang decide the on the job training manager.
OJT manager bukannya Felicia, bukannya? Apa yang harus ada di onsite? Harus ada di
onsite. Currently Felicia merancang untuk strateginya, planningnya dulu nih. Kita kan belum execution nih gitu. Kita masih planning dulu material proposal ke sekolah segala macam, itu Felicia untuk PSC-nya. Jadi setelah itu baru ada pivot card-nya untuk execution-nya. Harusnya gitu.
Actually then we need a new person like intern, right? That is based in Bali, atau because Tendi and Rafiq already bandwidth-nya udah kepakai banyak di main campaign kan actually. Gitu maksudnya Kak Tendi gitu atau gimana?
Ya, jadi kalau untuk on the OJT manajernya tuh lebih bagusnya sih di Bali, jadi bisa kayak controlling gitulah, misalnya gitu. Jadi lebih gini, mungkin kalau mau ngasih kelas kayak gitu. Kalau kelas tuh bisa online kelas ya. Jadi kayak mereka tetap ada, misalnya seminggu sekali itu ada kayak online kelasnya gitu. Jadi kayak ngasih material segala macam, gimana feedbacknya selama di sana kayak gimana, tetap harus ada itu dari OJT manajernya kayak gitu. Jadi yang kontrol mereka kayak gitu. Mungkin nanti itu bisa di set sih, tapi kita
Okay, then sorry ya Felicia ya ke HR juga sekalian. Yeah, I think that's that for my card. I don't have any updates yet buat my card. Ternyata ya forming the package is actually pretty complex ya. Itu masih jalan di BI. Ya sangat kompleks, right? Masih jalan dan kita ada 3 orang yang proyekan di situ, discussion together and it haven't started. Karena kalau misalnya base-nya salah, I think semuanya nanti akan susah gitu. Jadi we need more time for this. Thank you for today. This is already 2 p.m. Thank you very much for coming. Mantap ya. Thank you Felicia, Kak Tendi, and Nadia for joining the Scrum.